How to insert multiple rows in Excel. Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, select the row like this and then right click on it. Now here you can see insert one row above. Now in order to add row, simply tap on it. You can keep on doing it until you get the satisfied number of rows. You can do the same with columns. Simply select the column, right click on it, and here you will get an option of insert one column left. But if you want to add multiple rows at one time, select any column and then right click on it. Then go to insert 8 rows above, and here you can see 8 rows are now added. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.